there they are. There's the two 450s, both 2014s, matching in most every way. They're both in relatively good shape, but one's got about 100 hours on the top end, and the other one only has about 15 or 20. So I'm going to take the fresh one, put the plastics and graphics on it, and the other one, I'm going to rebuild it, and it'll probably be the practice bike. And here's one of my two-strokes. This is the 06 model. It's pretty much ready to go. Fresh tires on it, fresh suspension. Hoping to get some laps on it this year. You guys have already seen my other two 250s. There's my 07. It really just needs plastics and graphics and a kicker. And there's my other 07. It's just missing a side plate, but starts and runs fine. Alright, so neither one of these 450s, guys, been started since early September. They've been sitting in a box trailer outside in the cold. It's nearly single digits here today. Just curious as to how many kicks for them to start.